everyone. My name is Zach. I'm going to teach you how to make slime. First, you need glue.
Zach, first you wipe your face. May something ka dito. Ayan. Meron pa. Okay.
And just wait a minute. Okay, don't put them here this one. Put glue, clear. This should be clear glue. Is this clear glue?
No, it's not. I think you have clear glue. But I don't know where I put it. So
I think
what?
some people use this kind of glue.
Okay.
So, never mind. This should be a lot until it's full. Okay. Put it. So open.
Why don't you just open it?
Open it. Okay. Good idea. Close this. Okay, in this way. Glue. That's enough. Glue. Okay. I think this is not going to be
Ano?
slime.
Bye. I thought you will teach us how to make a slime and you don't trust your process. Ano ka ba?
Okay.
What's that? What's that you're putting? Wait, let's show it.
Read.
Wait, what does it say?
It says mermaid juice, not toxic, but do not eat.
Nothing else is written? That's all?
Yes.
Patingin?
Wait. Scented activator. Shake well before use. Gone.
Patingin.
Oh my goodness.
Patingin nga. Shake well, but do not... Ano? Shake well before use. Non-toxic, but do not eat. Na-shake na. Parang may nagsispill. Oh, and then, you're done shaking.
Yeah. But 3 drops.
3 lang?
Yes.
Parang ang konti niyan. Are you sure?
Yes.
Would you like to add more?
Wait. Can you get something? I'll hold the camera.
Anong kukunin ko?
Like something like that steers. That's not a spoon.
Huh? Stirrer?
To try to do like that. Mom wanted me to put a lot, so just try first. Up and 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that enough, Mom?
I don't know.
Okay, mix. I think this is not going to make it.
I don't see anything happening, Zach. What should happen? It should turn pink.
Yeah, like this one. And it's trying to go out. Oh my god. The letters are falling down. I wonder why. It's turning slime. You see that, guys?
That one, I see that, Zach. Ano, is it broken?
This one?
What's
Yeah.
that for?
Oh, but then I don't know. Look, guys, it's almost turning slime.
But it's still white.
Yeah, white slime. Just squeeze it. Squeeze it here. In this side. Okay, mix. No, mix. It's really turning slime. I'm smart. Am I right, Mom? It's really, oh god. Turning slimy.
Mix well, Zach. I think that's what you have to do. Mix well.
Yeah.
Why do you keep on adding?
It's so it can be slime.
I think what would make it turn pink is this one. Kung ano man to.
Okay, I know.
Ay.
Yep. That should work. Ooh. Now let's try to make it pink with 3 drops. 1, 2, 3.
Sinisipon ka na naman.
Oh god. Yep.
Oop! No. Why is it on your shirt na? Lagot ka kay mama.
Okay, let's continue. Oh goodness. Can you help me? I cannot like that.
Oh! Don't put it in your mouth.
Okay. Whoa! It's almost turning slime, guys. Okay. One, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, it's a lot. Yep, it's really turning slime. See? Now I have to break this chopsticks. Just kidding, not. Mom, can you help me get these off? It's really sticky.
Kaya mo yan.
With my hands?
I don't know with you.
Or are you just kidding me?
No, go ahead.
With my hands?
What do you want to use? Your feet?
Elbows. Magic breaker. Look, see? It's stretchy. Okay. Let's test. Oh, yeah. It definitely is landslide if it's It's ready. Boing, ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. Look, Mom, touch this. Ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. It's almost ready. Oh, God. Yep.
Zach, wipe your sipon. Or you want to mix it with the slime? Yuck! So what are the steps in making a slime? First, you need
Glue. Clear glue.
clear glue, but in this case, we used white glue,
Yeah, glue.
not the clear one. And then, what else do you need?
Activator.
Kung ano man yan. And what else?
This one.
And what else?
That's it.
Of course, you need a small container
Like this. Or
and
big
something to
container.
mix it.
Like this.
Okay. Oh, and then all you just have to do is mix, 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 and mix. How come it looks different with this one? This is the first one that you made.
That has sprinkles.
And even the color is different. Zach.
You know why?
Why?
Because it was different.
Kaya nga, how is it
It had a clear glue.
Oh, that's the effect if you use clear glue. Okay. So, is the video done?
Yes, thank you for watching.
Say bye.
Bye. Wait. I'm happy that I made slime, and also, did you see my other one? Make sure to subscribe and watch.
Who gave you the slime?
Chloe, we all made it in my class.
What will you say to Chloe?
Thank you, Chloe. And look, I made my own slime.
Zach, I will let you get my blue stars so you could design it.
This slime.
I have a jar of blue shiny stars in my craft table, Zach. You can go get it. On my craft table.
I'll protect this one.
Ay. Oh, sige, never mind. That's from Princess Raj.
This?
The Kira Kira. All of these. Yeah, from your birthday.
It was your birthday last time. Long time ago, right?
Do you know when my birthday is?
You don't know?
Seriously, Zach? I'm gonna ask you again. Do you know when my birthday is?
For you.
For real? You just broke my heart.
When?
Never mind.
When is your birthday?
I'm not gonna tell.
Secrets here. Okay, big secrets.
Oh, enough na yan. Stars naman.
Look at my slime. 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 It went in. Yeah. You just